Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how you can contact Shopify Customer Support. So make sure to watch the video till the very end. And let's begin. So I'm going to show you two ways. So I've just Google searched for Shopify Support. And if we click on Contact Shopify Support here, then it will take us to this page where we have to log in with our account and choose the store that we need help with. Now, it doesn't really matter what you choose right here. We can choose starting a store as an example, and if we scroll down all the way, then we will see chat with us, community, and leave a message. So we can choose chat with us. And here we can type out our message to the support team. Now, another way of how we can do this is by clicking on support right here and contact support. And as you can see, this virtual assistant appears. Now it will try to assist you. So here, by default, your store will be selected. But if you want to change your store, you can easily change it. So we have to describe what we need help with. For example, if I type forgotten password, and if I type this out and send it, then this will automatically connect me with a support agent responsible for forgotten passwords and recovering your accounts. So that's basically how you can contact Shopify customer support. So that's all for this video. Hope you liked the video. Thanks.